Okay. This is a game changer, man. I heard all the commotion. I was like, what is going on?
Everyone over here are medics.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we saw them working on all those boards and stuff, and we were like, I'm sure we can probably get some guys out here to help you with it.
Yeah. They might as well evacuate.
Hey, you guys need to do like a Trojan wall or something. Try that.
How are your legs not getting hammered? Is there a zoom on these things? Look how many people are behind this thing.
They're not moving in more of them up. Hey guys, go back and get some more barriers.
He's like, screw you. Our barriers are gonna be broken so quick. Yeah, no crap.